In 2009, HFK Technology was founded in Shenzhen, a vibrant hub of innovation. For over 17 years, we have stayed focused on one mission: to record every ride with imagery and safeguard every journey with technology. As an integrated tech enterprise specializing in the R&D, production and sales of intelligent motorcycle imaging devices, HFK owns a modern industrial base spanning over 3,000 square meters. Rooted in the original aspiration of creating an ultimate safety experience for riders, we keep advancing toward the future. Quality is HFK's passport to success. Back in 2015, the HM601, our first dual-lens front and rear motorcycle dashcam, made its debut. Boasting hardcore all-round performance with explosion-proof, wear-resistant and high-temperature-resistant build quality, it soon became the safety eye for riders. In 2025, the HC50RM, the first universally compatible quick-release smart motorcycle head unit for all bike models, launched with a stunning debut. As a flagship masterpiece awarded with the German Red Dot Design Award, the Muse Creative Awards, and certified with SGS IP69K protection rating from Switzerland, it marks another leap forward for HFK in the field of intelligent interaction. 17 years of dedication honed one perfect craft. As our star product, it covers full-scale demands in navigation, communication, imaging, and vehicle tuning, striving to fulfill every imagination you have for riding. From Asia to Europe, from North America to Southeast Asia, HFK has established its presence in dozens of countries and regions worldwide, earning the broad trust of users both at home and abroad. Yet HFK's journey never ends on ordinary roads. We pour our passion straight into the heart of the racetrack. The HFK KR1 racing motorcycle is the fruit of our in-depth R&D and a steed for young Chinese riders chasing their dreams. In 2025, our young team rider claimed the annual runner-up title in the Chinese Mini GP Championship and further represented China on the world final stage in Spain. From image recording to competitive racing, HFK always walks alongside passion and adrenaline, witnessing the roar of Chinese power echoing across global racetracks. Technology deserves not only speed, but also warmth. In public service sectors, HFK products also play a vital role. We support traffic, police, law enforcement, enabling technology to stand as a solid shield guarding urban order. Upholding the philosophy of reliability, stability, technology, and innovation, HFK is expanding its footprint from China to the globe, connecting with users worldwide every year and letting the craftsmanship of Made in China shine on the international stage. User-centric and technology-driven, HFK Technology will continue to delve deep into motorcycle intelligence. HFK Technology, hardcore intelligence built for riding.